Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you yet another function block from the utility library, which is the statistics real function block. So, to begin, let's add a new network, then insert an empty box, and inside the question marks, type statistics underline real. Okay, so the way this function block works is that it takes a real number as the input and calculates its minimum, maximum, and average value. But before we test it, let's first declare and assign our variables. So for the real number input, let's say input statistics of type real. And for the reset input, reset statistics type boolean. Now let's assign. And we can leave the outputs blank. Now let's log into the virtual controller. Put it in run mode. Now let's do some random numbers here. So for the input statistics, let's say value 20. Press Ctrl F7 to write. And as you can see, the maximum output is showing the value 20, which is our current value, and the average is slowly climbing towards our current value, which is 20. And it will reach the value 20 right now because it's constant, but if you have a variable number in the input, it will try to calculate its average. To show the minimum value, we can do a negative number, let's say minus 30. And you can see it's showing minus 30 in the minimum output. What if we want to clear these values in the output? Let's set input statistics to 0, then enable the reset input and disable it. And there we go. It's all clear in the output, and that's it. That's how you use the statistics real function block in Master Tool, and I hope to see you in the next video.